And you guys, as you can see, it did. How many minutes do we have above that line right now? We have, hold on, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes above that line. So thank you guys for joining in. I am watching. We did really well with FGI earlier. 4 trades in a row, guys. Just staggered as we go. But now we're watching this, and basically watching for a move to $3 based on the confirmation above 245. If you scroll back, I'm gonna leave you guys from social media just joined us today. I mean, just right now. So if you scroll back in the recording, you'll see my analysis for this one. But I think that move to three is confirmed with this price action above that line at 245. Let's see. Hmm. 290, guys, very close to where we wanted it to go. From 245 to 290, guys, that's almost 20%. I don't know if you can do the math quick in your head, but that's a very nice move right there. Um, and you can tell, like, if this is the first time of you guys watching me how to trade, I wait for confirmation zones, right? And my confirmation for this was above 245. I had indicated that. I talked about it. And we waited for 5 minutes of activity above that line, right? So by the fifth minute, it was in the 260 range. So still a 10% move from 260 to 290. I still think we're going to hit that $3 range. So let's watch and see what happens. Right now that we're basically below that 245 line, this is the way I look at it, guys. The first trade happened, right? We did from here to 290. I thought it was going to hit 3, but 290 is very close to 3, so I'll take that, right? But now I want to see if it's actually going to consolidate above that line and not just pull all the way through. If I see a single candle struggle to get back above it, that would be a bad sign. But if we're just breaking through it for a little bit, mm, I don't know. This is trying to make him it's starting making me worried now a little bit. I don't know. But let's see, guys. The now what I'm watching for is a second confirmation line, basically, right? Anything below this would be a no. So I need to see full candles, like one, two, three, like we did here. Okay. And if that happens, we're at 245. The line is at 245, guys. So don't let these candles fool you. Just look at the time frames. What I would look here, what I would do is, okay, it's 11 or 10:06 now, right? It's yeah, 10:07 round. Every single order must be above 245. If I see orders selling below 245, like right now, that shows weakness. See that candle that struggled right there? That's what I'm talking about. Like I cannot, you can't see a minute, not even a minute struggled below, guys. It had to consolidate like the way I don't know if you remember FGI and how we did FGI just a couple of minutes ago, right? Like half an hour ago, it didn't even touch that line. It consolidated above it, and that does prove good price action. But the fact that we have a candle struggle to get back above 245 now, I don't know about that. Let's see. Damn, this reverse nice from here, from like $3. Damn, that was a nice reversal. But let's get back into our game here, guys. See now, I have how many minutes do we have below that line? That's not a good sign at all. Like this had to be above this line right here for me to think, okay, there's another run into it, probably into three. But I don't think so, guys. Not with this confirmation. It has to go above that line again. Well, I mean, I'll keep it on my watch for sure. But as long as it's below this line, it could go test it. No, but it had to go above it. We have to have 5 minutes of complete price action above 245. And that would indicate the move to threes. But if that doesn't happen, by all means, guys, we're just watching for now, you know? See how it tested it? That's not it. Just not a test. We need to go above that line. Okay, we're up. We're breaking through. Not yet. So let's count. Okay, so right now we'll go back and count. It's 10:11 in my time now. I want to see 2 more minutes of activity above that line. And if that happens, guys, by all means, I think we'll see another move, another 10% move minimum. That would be a nice 10% trade, you know? Okay. All right. I see you. Now a second minute above that line. Okay. Back into that 245. So not like if you can read the candles, obviously not a single minute completely above that line. So not there, not there yet. That's not confirmation, guys. IMN, I can tell from the price that it's trying to break that 1680 line. Same principle, guys. It needs to build above it, like completely build above it. If it's testing it or getting rejected below that line, it is not there yet. So let's get back to our plane here. All right. Not a single minute above it, so it's not confirmation, guys. Not at all. Zero. I'm fine just watching it for now, you know? That first trade was nice. Not the second time. It's not confirmed. All right. And now if I were to short this, same principle. It has to go build below that line, and if it builds enough activity below it, it would be a nice short all the way to there. I'm not a short, so I'm not gonna plan to short this one. And after what happened with INHD with my short position getting locked for 2 months, kind of like swore to God, man, to never do it again. Even though shorting can make a lot of money sometimes, guys, you know. LIMN, I can tell from the price. I'm watching it here. That way I don't have to switch a lot. I'm gonna put it on my back burner actually. You guys, IVDA from the watch as well. It's above 50 cents now. It's hitting towards that line at 55. Remember we looked at it this morning. But let me just put LIMN on my back burner. That way I'm not missing it. If it confirms, we'll just switch to it really quick. It is trying to break above that line now, LIMN, but it's just not there yet. Sorry. Okay, IVDA is getting closer, but I'm not touching it below 55 personally. Let it be, let it do its thing. I mean, some people might have taken it from VWAP all the way to there, and that's almost 10%. That's a hell of a trade. It is not confirmed for me personally. The only confirmation that I have for this is 55 to 62. If I see it above 55, I think it'll hit 62 cents. Besides that, I don't think we're going to get there. Okay. We're getting closer to that line. It's going to go test it, you know? All right, testing that line now. Let's see. And you guys, I had the banner. Oh, I took off the banner, but the banner was there all morning. FGI did great, guys, with us. But let's just put the banner again. But you could scroll back and see that it was there all morning, you know? You can see that. So now let's watch and count minutes above that line. I don't want it to just test it and fail. I want it to test it and build above it. And if that happens, we'll see a 10% trade into that 60 area. That little spike, even though it went all the way to 59, it's just not the trade that I was looking for. I did not enter the trade. A break like that, it's just a fast break for me personally. I can't rely on it as entry for me. It has to confirm above those lines, guys. It has to like build action above it. And I know this takes a lot of work and a lot of patience. And that's what it's if it's that I mean, I worked in cars in the past and it took a lot more patience and a lot more work to just make 10% on a deal. So if it's gonna take me some work and some time to make 10 to 20% on a single trade and I'm in my office, I'm not spending gas, I'm not going to auctions, let it be. Let it work itself out, you know? Sorry. I'm still kind of jet lagged from all the traveling in the past the past week or two. Went to Dallas and then Vegas and then yesterday just got back home, you know? Chicago, Dallas, and Vegas. Three cities in like 2 days. It's a lot of travel, but I'm home. Home office is the best way, you know? And this is, again, the way I trade, guys, even though I could say, oh, it went. No, it didn't. To me, this is a quick spike. I did not enter, I did not make money at all with this. So I'm waiting for better confirmation. If it doesn't, by all means, we'll just switch another one, you know? Same for LIMN. No confirmation above 1680 yet. If it doesn't happen, by all means, we're going to leave that alone. JXAI 135 is the confirmation. We're not without even looking at it, but we can open it. That way, if you just join the stream, you'll see where my line is at. It's at 135. So if it does confirm above 135 at some point today, by all means, we'll take it. If not, you could tell that my bearish scenario actually did really well from 135 to 113, but I didn't trade that either. I'm not a short. But if somebody is and was watching me, that would have been a nice trade for them, you know? Let's get back here, guys. We are trying to get back above that 245 line on DFSC. Let's see if that works. Again, remember, guys, confirmation. I'm gonna put that on there. That way, if you join me, you'll see this confirmation general rule, basically. So not a single minute above that line from this dip. Not yet. Okay. All right. LIMN. Let's see you, bro. Not yet. I mean, it's just testing it, failing back, testing it, failing back. Maybe at some point it'll go and make that break, but as long as it tests and fails like that, I'm not interested, honestly. See how it's trying to break above that line, but it's just not doing it. It's just every time it gets rejected below that line. I want to see a lot of orders getting executed above 1680. Like, I mean, I see some, you know, just not enough. That's good action now. But as you can see, not a single candle yet. Like, I mean, how many? Like, we have 22 seconds left in the first minute above that line. The line is at 1680, basically, guys. And I mean, we see a lot of orders getting executed above that line. You know, they just let people that we're trading this live. Okay, we fell below that line again. It takes a lot of work, guys, for day trading. If people make it look easy, they're not telling the truth. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of discipline, a lot of decisions, a lot of watching, and a lot of, you know, a lot. Now we see action above that line, guys. Good signs. And don't forget about DFSC as well, because I'm watching for action above that line at 245 again. Okay, so let's keep track on both of them, guys. Okay, this one is already above 245 now, so let's watch. And I'm also watching LIMN, probably 3 minutes already above that line. So both are good, but we need better confirmation, just a little bit better, just 2 more minutes on this. For LIMN, probably another minute, and that would be nice, you know. Okay. Hmm. We fell below it. Damn, man. Like I don't know. Maybe it's because it's lunchtime in New York. Like, just action is not being supported. Like we get a minute and then the second minute it drops. A minute and a second minute it drops. Same for LIMN. Look how many times it tried to break above that line, man. One, two, three, four. Like so many times it tries to break above it, but then people will take profits. Whales sometimes get tired and say, you know what, screw it. We're not going to stay in the trade. So hopefully that's not the scenario here. Hopefully whales continue supporting the trade above that line, above 1680, and take it all the way to 18. Let's see. IVDA, go into that line again. This one here, we're still above 245. Even we're selling, but it's still above 245. So that's a good sign. We're going to make this. No. Yep. We're going to make it bigger just to kind of like make the gap clearer, you know? Not a single confirmation, guys. Nope, it's not there. It's crazy. Yeah, maybe it's just the fact that it's lunchtime in New York is not supporting the action here. But let's get back to this one too. Let's see. Remember, I said that that spike does not count. That's not confirmation. It needs to build above that line to see that minimum 10% move to 62. But it needs to be like consistent action, not just a single spike or something like that. Let's see. All right, guys, thank you for being here. Still watching for confirmation above 55 on this one. Okay. Confirmation above 245. Let's count how many candles above the line now consistently. One, two, this is the third one. Okay. All right. That's actually nice confirmation, guys, honestly. One, two, three, maybe two more minutes. Yes, LIMN is above that line at 1680. I don't want to switch charts too many times, but we've talked about it too many times too. So that line is 1680. It did confirm above it a little bit. I took small profits honestly on that one, but let's see. You guys, not even a confirmation though, because I like if I'm only if I wasn't in, I was in already. I can't tell you that, guys, but I was in. But if I wasn't in, this is not confirmation yet. Same for this one here. 3 to 5 minutes, right? One, two, three. That's actually I would have been fooled by this one, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I would have been fooled. I always That's why I always like to wait 5 minutes for confirmation. But honestly, guys, even if we price action today has been weird, just weird. It just doesn't stay that long. It's like GXAI did the same thing, like it confirmed and then boom, pulled back all the way to 113 from 135 in a single drop. I don't know. Like this, for instance, like it had been trying to break above 1680 for so long, and then boom, it goes to 1780, like on the break. And that's a breakout. It's not confirmation. I can't really count that as actual pure confirmation for the trade. But retrospectively, now, if we spend 4 minutes above that line, anywhere that I grab it from, I think we'll see that test to 1850. Make sense? So if I grab it at 1750, like right now, like 1, 2, 3, that's 4 minutes, maybe one more minute, right? And I grab it and it goes to 1850, that's minimum 10% trade there. From not from here, but if it does pull back a little bit. Let's see. But anyone that has been watching it, we were waiting for this to go above 1680 for a long time now. And if you guys are wondering why I'm not looking at FGI, I'm done. I took four trades out of this. Now I think retail is in charge, not the whales anymore. You know? And I'll explain that later, a little bit later. But retail is in charge of this trade. Whales probably exited at this point here. Because that's what I'm talking about right here. Today is just a weird day. Like 1, 2, 3 minutes, and then it pulls back like that. And probably it'll go back up, but I can't say it probably. I need better confirmation. So now I know 3 minutes didn't do it. The second time that it goes up, it has to be 5 minutes of activity above that line. Now looking back at this one here, if you want to count everything together, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes should have taken that trade to 18. Honestly, Hmm. Weird day, but in a weird day, FGI did great. DFSC actually the first time that we traded that one did really well. But just weird day, guys. IVDA didn't trade it because it just like look at this. Look what that's what I'm saying. Usually I wait for confirmation. Like so usually like the pattern should be like 2 or 3 minutes here, but then boom to 60s. It went from it went from 52 to 59 and on a single minute candle. Not my type. I don't like that type of trades. I like the slow methodical ones. Let it take its time. You know? I got all day. How many hours I got left? Almost 6 hours of trading. I could make my whole day with it, you know? Let's look at FGI. Because maybe if we looked at this again, we could see that at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes of confirmation before that move. That was a nice one. I didn't do it. Maybe I should have done that trade. But I don't like to chase trades after I'm done. And especially when retail is in charge of the trade, you know? It's not like the whales anymore. You guys, now this is the gray area for this trade. Let's see if people just joined us from social media. We can basically let them in on that as well. So 1630 was the line that we built the first trade. That's the last trade from. See, like the confirmation, then boom to 19. If the same pattern happens, let's watch, guys. Okay, so what we're watching for now at this point here is how many minutes did it take here for it to go from. So let's watch for 3 to 5 minutes confirmation above 1630. If that doesn't happen, then the trade won't happen, you know? And I most likely it's not gonna happen. But I can't speculate. Let's watch and it might have another run into it, right? But the only time that I can confirm another run is watching for 3 complete minutes above that line, above 1635 basically. That single spike does not do it for me. Okay. Hmm. And even on the short scenario, you could tell that it did not actually confirm neither the short because only 2 minutes below that line. If I'm a short, that would have been that short. It would have not been that short confirmation that I'm looking for. So it either builds 3 minutes above 1630 ish, and that would take it to 20 this time, or build below this line, below that 1450 line, minimum 3 to 5 candles, and it would be a nice short trade for people that likes to short stocks. In the middle between these two lines is kind of risky at this point for me. And you guys, I'm going to log off this live session. I always turn it on for, I've been live for 3 hours and 49 minutes. For live, for free for social media, I've been live for 49 minutes. So another 10 minutes, I'm going to log off to give myself a break. And if you guys want to watch the full session, you're welcome to join me. You're welcome to come in. I turn my live session at 7 in the morning, California time. So that's about 30 minutes after market open. Just gives me like, myself to the stage here. As I was saying, guys, the camera kind of disconnected. We'll leave that laptop camera for now. It's okay. As I was saying, guys, I'm about to log off the live session. I was saying that, but then I lost the stream. Um, I was saying the stream will end very soon here. And if you guys enjoyed watching me, please come back tomorrow. Hit the like and hit the subscribe buttons. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Because, let me see. It is trying again above that 1680. LIMN is really trying. So keep an eye on this. Keep an eye on IVDA. Remember, if it confirms above 55, and confirmation above 55 means like actual price action above it, it could see mid 60s or at least 62 on that trade. It's very close to this confirmation line, honestly. So let's keep track. Let's keep an eye on that. Um, so that's what I'm gonna leave you with. I'm gonna leave you with IVDA to watch it. You guys watch it. If it breaks above 55 cents, that would be a nice one. DFSC, as we talked about it, it needs to build 5 minutes, not anything below 5 minutes, above 245, and that could see a move there. Um, and I think that's it for me personally. And I will see you guys tomorrow.